What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Layla. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. So today I am going to be opening a slime package. And I got this at a shop. I forgot what it was called, but I got it at a shop in Missouri, and they delivered it here to me. But yeah, let's just get into opening it. Okay, so here it is, and it has this note on the side, and it's literally just taped closed. I'm gonna put it to the side. And so it says, this includes glossy green slime, mermaid puke, galaxy, Tide saline solution, and 3 glitters. So put that to the side. And then the bag is literally taped closed. So I'm gonna have to get my scissors and cut it. Okay, so the first thing that you pull out of the bag that I'm gonna pull out is the mermaid puke. It's the mermaid puke. So this is foam, but it's hard. And it has pearls in it. There's a pearl. This doesn't even stretch. And the beads and glitter gets everywhere. So we're just gonna put this up. Now I have to vacuum my floor. Even more than it already needs to be vacuumed. Okay. So then I guess this is supposed to be the glossy green slime, but it's not slime. Ew. Okay, it's wet. It's wet and hard. Okay, so this says on the top it was made with saline solution, and I asked for all Tide or borax activated. Okay, that's gross. So then there's 2 of the glitters. Okay, so here are the glitters that she gave me, and I expected them to be like bigger, like glitter. Hold on, because I have some like that kind of glitter, not powdery glitter. But yeah. So then there's the saline solution, which I will not be using this because saline solution makes the worst slime. And then there's Tide. I might use this. And then I'm guessing this is the galaxy slime. Okay, so this is not a galaxy, although it is good slime. Finally one decent slime. But like those glitter particles is what I was expecting. Okay, this is my favorite slime so far. But it does just have random stuff in it though. But yeah, we're gonna do a little bit of ASMR with this. Okay, so this slime, it's okay. It's just really small and I expected it to be bigger. But yeah. It's good slime. But like I said before, I just wanted it to be bigger. But I actually like this one. So I may keep this one, but I'm probably gonna send the other two back and ask her for better slimes, and then maybe I'll make another video of it. But yeah guys, that's it for the video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and comment down below what kind of video you want me to do next. Yeah, peace.